Hello, nice to see you all here. I'm Jeeuk from Node A team. I'm in charge of operations and communication for my team. And today I'm just going to talk a little bit about what our team did as a validator until now on Cosmos Network and what we are planning to do in the future. So just to give you a brief introduction of our team, we are a Cosmos validator based in South Korea. And during Game of Stakes, we were named in Never Jailed group, which we were pretty happy about. And in terms of our business goals, our priorities come with no security, which should apply for all validators. And we are trying not to do things that are hurting interests of our delegators and also the long-term growth of Cosmos ecosystem, because without any one of those two things, I don't think validators could exist within the network. So right now, within the Cosmos ecosystem, these are the networks that we are validating for. First is the Cosmos Hub, IrisNet, Terra, Kava, and IOB. And so what did we do until now? Our activities were mainly within South Korea. And before the launch of the Cosmos Hub, there were so many people who were involved in the token sale and didn't know what Cosmos was really about. So we spent time holding meetups in Seoul and other cities that people are far away from, telling people about what Cosmos really is and what they are actually holding as a token. So that's actually a map of Korea, and just to show you how far we traveled to do the meetup. And some small and large things we did. First is recently we open sourced our Prometheus and Grafana monitoring tools for Tendermint. And also we keep on posting things on our blog on Medium, both in English and Korean, because most of our delegators are Korean and we want to share the information with them as well. And in the future, we're planning on joining more projects as a validator. But why more projects in Cosmos ecosystem? It's because we think that Cosmos SDK is a good tool for building blockchain applications, because developers, they don't have to think so much about networking and consensus layer as much as like they did in Ethereum and other blockchains. So we think it's likely that the next blockchain which will adopt more end users will come in Cosmos as well. For examples are IOV and star names, which made it easy for people to use names instead of addresses, and also Terra Money's Chai, which is a payment module. People don't even know it's a blockchain application, but they think it's a comfortable thing to use. And also we think that other blockchains that are going to come up in the future will be a DPoS blockchain. And Cosmos is, we say, is one of the first in the blockchain community as a DPoS, and also Cosmos validators are also one of the first people, and we think we could be a good contributor to the networks. And that doesn't mean that we're just gonna like join the networks that have no base value or whatever. So like these are some of the things we consider before we choose the networks that we want to validate in. I'm just gonna go through simply just the concept of the project and if their mark is reasonable. And it has to be pretty well documented, because we have to learn what the project is about, and also the users have to know what it's about. And if they have active community, both developers and non-developers. And I think the crucial part for validator is a token economy, if it's well distributed, if the token's well distributed, or if we are compensated in a fair amount. And importantly, developing activities, are they ongoing? And some other risks, like the internal risks, and like if their CEO is an honest person and everything. Yeah, that's it for my talk, and thank you so much. Oh, if you have questions, just contact me here.